What's the meaning of Berkshire? Berkshire. Berkshire.
Berkshire. Berkshire. Berkshire, also known as Berkshire County, is a historic county in the southeast of England. The county is named after the town of Reading, which was originally called Riata Ingas, or the people of Riata. Berkshire has a rich history dating back to prehistoric times, and has been inhabited by Celts, Romans, Saxons, and Normans. Today, Berkshire is known for its beautiful countryside, historic sites such as Windsor Castle and Highclere Castle, which was used as the filming location for Downton Abbey, and for being home to many global companies such as Microsoft, Oracle, and Vodafone. Overall, Berkshire is a fascinating place with a wonderful mix of history and modernity.